everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change graphics setting in War Machines. To change your graphics setting in War Machines, first of all, open up the War Machines app on your mobile device and then from the home page, tap on the 3 menu button at the top left. Now click on the Settings button from the menu. Inside Settings, go ahead and select the graphic options. You can select the graphic option from low, medium, high, and ultra. If you want better visuals, make sure you select high or ultra. For better performance on low-end device, select low graphic. And that's how you easily change your graphic setting in War Machines quickly and easily. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more War Machines tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.